When I started watching Case Number 9, I thought it would be this idealistic representation of our justice system. Mostly because I had read a post which said that Case Number 9 is far-fetched from reality. And so they mentioned how you have to visit the police station several times to get your FIR registered, and even then it's not actually registered, and the best you can get is a written complaint is filed. And the police leaves lacunas in your FIR, which weakens the prosecution's case. And where the case is concerned, finding a truthful and honest lawyer is a task in itself. You go from dealing with police gardi to vukla gardi, and the exorbitant amount of fee that the lawyers demand up front while giving you flawed legal advice and showing up late and unprepared in court, or even blaming you if something goes wrong, is common practice. The court hearings are another ballgame altogether, with endless amount of waiting while the judge sahab is enjoying tea and entertaining guests in his chamber, or your lawyer just hasn't shown up on time. Also, the judges are not always impartial. They interrupt you over and over again while you are getting your evidence recorded, or may even scold you for using a negative word against the other party. They may even go as far as to call you a liar. You give your statement in court in Urdu, but it is recorded in English, so a lot is also lost in translation, and you're not allowed to read it. You just sign it, and so that becomes your truth. Your lawyer will misuse your vulnerability, demand even more money, and even the people around you who could potentially help you will not do so, whether it is your family, your loved ones, your neighbors. So I went into this drama after reading all of this information. Then I saw the torment Seher was going through, and I realized that this is not an idealistic representation of the justice system. The reality is so infinitesimally worse than what is being shown on television that people who have actually experienced it think Seher is taking a walk in the park. Honestly, may God protect us from the justice system of Pakistan.